What's good, YouTube? Rothehit back with another video. Today we are doing something a little bit different. We're in a POV drive. A little bit of a POV drive. Nothing crazy. All right, we're just chilling, but you guys are gonna get to listen to the Redeye, just the whine and whatever, you know, just chill. We're just gonna see if anything of interest on this little drive we do. But yeah, let's see what we can find. It's pretty hot, 93 degrees outside, so you know this thing is pretty much going to be heat soaking, but good thing we're not doing any racing today. No drag racing, nothing like that. I do have a race on Wednesday, and that's when we're going to go and test out this thing and see without traction on if it'll do better, because that race time on the last video you guys saw, I had traction on, so I'm thinking that's what was cutting my power, because I looked at my logs and I do log the car now and everything, so I was able to see, oh, this is some, you know, reasoning is, you know, but let's list that. Downshift. You might get some pops sometimes. Whew, sounds good. But yeah, we got a little Tacoma over here. That's a little Tacoma. But yeah, I'm back to the POV kind of thing. You know, I was doing that. If you guys have been around for a while, you guys know I had an old channel called It's Rotho. That became an animation channel, but it had a bunch of POV content back in the day. But, you know, it kind of fell off for some reason. It's because I had so many different cars. I had a GT500, I had a pickup truck, an F-150, so all kinds of cars. But now we got a Redeye, so we have to make content with this for sure. But a tuned one at that, 93 tuned. Nothing too crazy though. We're still pretty much stock. I mean, I don't have any pulley changes, nothing like that. Just don't want to. I mean, I might in the future, but this car won't be a daily at that point because the gas will be horrendous. I won't be able to do anything with that gas for sure. But now we're coming down the hill. So I open the window a little bit, just a little bit. Ooh, listen to that. Ooh, this thing sounds great on this type of day. Like, just listen to that. But now I'm gonna go left because look at this line. We got like everybody in that row, like crazy. But anyway, oh, we got truck, everything. But yeah, hopefully you guys are doing well. You know, summer's here, just enjoy it while you can, because we're going to be in fall very soon. We're already in the middle of July. I mean, I can't believe it. We got through it so quick, and now we're going to be already in August and back to college and whatever else. But I'm still going to be bringing out the content for you guys. You know, this is a new channel, new start, right? But you guys see the SRT up there and the Redeye. But let's go ahead and turn around. Let's go ahead and go left, because something might be on the left. I don't know what will be there, but something, you never know. But let's go ahead and check it out. So we got nothing really. Nothing too crazy. Oh my God, my hair. That's getting in my face. Move away. I like the noise, but the wind is just too much. It's too much. It's too much. All right. I got Oklahoma in front of me. The Oklahoma City Thunder. Ooh. So we got a little bit of stuff. Look at the day though. Look how nice it looks outside. Like, so blue. The sky looks so blue right now. It's crazy. But you know, we're in sport mode because we're just in the daily. We're not trying to race or nothing. No track mode needed right now, or custom. But yeah, I mean, today is a nice day. Just got off work. You know, the best feeling is getting off work in a Hellcat Redeye. You know, it's just fun, and that's the best part. But we're gonna go ahead and just keep going here. Listen to that. It's popping like crazy too. Got a little tune on it, nothing too crazy. Ooh, it's a popping. Oh, yes. Yes, sir. Little pops and bangs in this thing. Got it sound like a BMW. And I ain't even got no burble tune or nothing on it. It's just, that's how it sounds with the 93 and my AWE exhaust, which just has a great sound in this thing. Ooh, yeah. Listen to that shift. Yes. You know, the best thing about having only a tune is it still feels like a normal car. It doesn't have no crazy stuff on it. And the only thing that I will say that's annoying is I gotta get 93 only, and the only place that has 93 around me is like 19 minutes away. So, you know, that's just fun. I love to drive 19 minutes to go get 93 fuel, but thankfully we have a lot of fuel right now, so we're good. We don't have to worry about it. Hey, look at Camaro. That sounds really good. That just sounds great. Like, oof. Little whine for you guys. You know, that's what this car is just the best at, that whine. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a little POV. It's been a while since I've done one of these type of videos, but I'm not gonna lie, if you guys like it, I'm gonna make more. I'm gonna make more for you guys. But we got the Redeye outside on a sunny day, a nice summer day, and it is popping. Listen to that, little tiny burbles. You don't even need a burble tune. This thing just does it by itself with the exhaust I got on it. Y'all hear that? That's that popping. Oh man, look at all the traffic. We got traffic all over. I can't turn. I should not have gone this way. Actually, yes, I can now. That guy's going that way. I'm going this way. Mustang. All right, sounds pretty good. And now we're in the downtown, or at least the main strip of my little town here. Nothing. Well, it's a line, so we're gonna be sitting a little bit. We have 226 oil temp. That's just great. That's just how hot it is right now. So I'm gonna chill a little bit because it is hot. It's 93 outside, so I don't want to be doing too much. But let's just chill for a moment. We have also our chiller, but I'm not gonna put that on. We don't need it. We got the window open. We'll be fine. Well, actually, we could put the chiller on. Nah, it's fine. I don't want to use the chiller if I don't need it. I only use the chiller when we race. That's it. That's the only time I'm using that chiller. But yeah, you guys can see it's a pretty nice day outside. It's pretty nice. Oil temps are still up. Oh well, I think that's normal. I don't know. Ooh, listen to that. Whew. That does sound good. That Whine, that JLT, one of my favorite intakes, I'd say.